Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best auto-darkening welding helmets that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Antra A6-260-0000 Solar Power Auto Darkening Helmet. The Antra A6-260-0000 helmet targets users who want the best safety and convenience while welding. It works with common techniques including TIG, MAG, and arc, stick. Additionally, the accessory is suitable for cutting and grinding. It comprises a tough plastic shell that protects the head and eyes from bright light, sparks, and other debris. And since it's solar-powered, you won't worry about replacing batteries or worrying about energy usage. The lenses operate in 4 darkening shades 9 to 13 and come with a cover for extra protection and stability. The 86 inches x 1.73 inch lens provides wide views where the 4 premium sensors automatically vary the shade. This accessory also features easy-to-adjust sensitive control knobs and step-less delay. Operating the welding helmet is a breeze even for novice, beginner. This is because of the simple design, minimal frills, and comes ready to use. At number 4. DEKOPRO Auto Darkening Wide Lens. With a wide shade range of 4/5 to 9/9-13, the Antra AH6 helmet is just what you need when working on metal. It boasts of a tough plastic shell that will stop flying sparks, metal pieces, fumes, and other things. In addition, it features an auto-darkening lens that reduces the brightness of the welding and grinding processes. This not only gives you better views for the perfect weld or cuts but also protects the eyes. It's a good choice for MAG, TIG, MAG, and arc as well as normal grinding, cutting, and plasma cutting too. The sensitivity knob adjusts easily and conveniently whereas the step-less delay improves functionality. Like other leading welding helmet, this one is also lightweight but strong at the same time. It has a smooth and comfy interior and also inhibits excessive sweating, stuffiness thanks to the good breathability. At number 3. Welding Shield Mask Solar Welding Helmet. Welding helmet auto darkening. Welding hood can be automatically dimmed during the welding work, full face neck coverage protecting welders from spatters and harmful radiant. This is a headwear welding helmet, allowing your hands to be free, automatic switching of light and shade, no need to move the mask all the time and the headband is adjustable to fit your head. A great personal protection equipment designed for industrial use that can handle multiple processes of plasma cutting, abrasive wheel cutting, grinding, DC TIG, AC TIG, MIG, MAG, MMA, stick welding. At number 2. Auto-Darkening Welding Helmet. Besker AK900 welding helmet is ideal for a range of industries such as automotive, construction, general fabrication, shipbuilding, structural that use multiple welding processes, including stick, MIG and TIG. Whatever the task at hand, AK900 professional welding mask you best welding partner. As THE leader in the production factory for automatic darkening welding helmet. Besker focuses on the innovation of design and technology to provide the best welding helmet to customer from all over the world. Besker has sold more than 50 million auto-darkening welding helmet and been favorably reviewed by more than 20 million customers. Finally at number 1. Jackson Safety Black Insight. The Jackson Safety brand is known in regards to auto-darkening helmets for welding. The 46131 Halo X is among the notable choices from the company. It's useful in MIG, TIG, MAG, and stick welding techniques. The unit also provides nice visibility thanks to the 3.93 by 2.36 inch viewing area. And considering that you get 9 to 13 variable shades, you are more certain of good protection against bright light and flying sparks. The helmet is okay for men and women and is relatively lightweight. This together with the smooth and comfortable interior creates minimal discomfort during use. The 4 built-in sensors automatically adjust the shade to match the surroundings, whereas the digital controls enable you to pick the best setting. The tough plastic shell and lens can put up with the heat, bright light, fumes, bangs, impact, and much more. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.